So let me ask you a question, maybe a few questions. Have you arrived at that point in life just yet when perhaps you've had a major health scare? Or maybe you're thinking there's one just around the corner, and you haven't really thought about what you're going to do financially to look after yourself and support yourself in the future. If suddenly something happened and you couldn't actually earn an income anymore, you couldn't go to work, what would you be doing to be able to generate an income to support yourself and perhaps your family as well? So it was in June that I had a health scare, and that worried me. I'll tell you what happened. I had chest pains one evening and in fact decided to go to bed and sleep it off. The next morning I still had those chest pains and decided to get myself to the doctor. They thought that I might be having a heart attack, that they actually dispatched me in an ambulance, blue lights and sirens, to a neighbouring clinic. The good news, I think, is that after that procedure they said there's nothing wrong with my heart and there's nothing wrong with my arteries, but clearly as I was still suffering from those chest pains, something wasn't right. It's in fact 2 weeks ago that happened to me, so it's very recent, and I feel fit and well, but I thought I'd share the story today because it made me understand really that I have two things which are significantly beneficial to me right now. Number one, I know that I didn't have a heart attack, and if I had have had a heart attack, there's lots of implications that go with that. And the second reason that I thought I was very fortunate is because I run an online business. And I thought I'd share that story because the online business that I'm running for myself generates an income for me every single month, irrespective of whether I go to work or I go out and do things. And I think that's a great benefit, and it's a benefit really I wanted to share with you. If you're in a situation perhaps where you're getting on in life, and I don't consider myself old, but if you're getting on in life and you haven't necessarily yet had a serious heart attack or a health problem, I might just ask you to consider that if it does happen, or when it happens, have you got something put in place that would look after your financials for the rest of your life? Now for me, that's where the online business is just so valuable. I find myself in a situation today that I enjoy running my online business, which I run on a part-time affair really. It doesn't take me much time to be able to get this business generating cash for me on a monthly basis by really recognizing a valuable service in the marketplace called a digital online marketing education system. And it's really by promoting that system onto the internet, on YouTube, through videos like this, that I'm able to help other people understand that actually starting your own online business is not that difficult, and it can be rewarding, not just financially, but also for the fact that you can share something of value with other people. My main job, if I can call it that, is that I work with companies that are looking to develop and grow, and actually I find this digital online marketing education that I'm learning has really helped me to help my client companies do exactly that. But at the same time, if that was ever threatened and my health really suffered and I perhaps wasn't even able to leave home, I can still run my online business from home. In fact, I can run my online business from anywhere in the world as long as I've got a laptop and an internet connection. So I just want to encourage you today that, if there are any thoughts about health concerns, or you're getting to a certain age where maybe your health could be threatened for whatever reason, perhaps I can encourage you to start looking at an opportunity that I have been following since August of last year, and that's starting and now running my own online business. If you're only curious, or this resonates with you, this story, and perhaps you're thinking it would be good to be able to put something in place that can protect and supply an income for yourselves in the future, then let me encourage you to click on the link that's available with this video. That link will give you the ability to see some videos for free, no obligation, so that you can understand the opportunity of my online business and what I do, and maybe you might recognize that's good for you too. If it is, great. If it isn't, then we can unsubscribe and you'd never hear from us again. But if you do find it valuable, I wish you every success in the future, and perhaps we can connect, because I'd like to help and support you to run your online business too. So don't forget, click on the link, have a look at the free video series, and then perhaps let me know whether you think this is an opportunity that you'd like to pursue.